Did you know that the way you place your main door, your bed, or even your study desk can affect your health, wealth, and happiness? That's the science of Vaastu Shastra, an ancient Indian system that harmonizes your home with natural energies. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through 7 simple Vastu principles that can completely transform the energy of your home. Vastu is all about balance. The 5 elements of nature: earth, water, fire, air, and space. And the 8 directions: north, south, east, west, northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. When these elements are in harmony, your home feels peaceful and supports success. The entrance is where energy enters your home. Keep it positive. The best direction for the main door is east or north. Keep the area bright, clutter-free, and welcoming. Your prayer or meditation space should ideally be in the northeast corner, the Ishan direction. Keep the idols facing east or west, and make sure the space is quiet, elevated, and serene. The kitchen represents fire energy. Place the stove in the southeast corner, and while cooking, face east if possible. It's believed to bring good health. Keep water elements sink away from fire element stove. The master bedroom should ideally be in the southwest. It gives stability and strength. Place your bed so that your head faces south or east while sleeping. This is said to improve rest and health. Want better focus and productivity? Place your study or work desk so you face east or north. Keep the space clutter-free and well lit. Natural light is best. Flowing water and greenery bring prosperity and freshness. Place indoor plants near windows, and if you have a water fountain, put it in the northeast corner for positive energy flow. Vastu Shastra is not about superstition. It's about living in tune with nature. Try these simple tips and feel the difference in your home's energy. If you found this video helpful, share it with friends and family, and subscribe for more home design and Vastu tips.